Good medical morning. Today, we're taking an educational look at warts, horns, pimples, and blisters. To start off, I'm going to show you this removal clip. Stick around to the end and I'll give you my perspective of what it is. By the way, this is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and our next highlight is of a lip pimple being removed from an elderly individual. Before we hear the "where are the nitrile gloves?" I'm going to ask a serious question. Do you always pop pimples with gloves? Leave your comments on wearing gloves when pimple popping. I'll also put a link to an amazing pimple popper kit that comes with free nitrile gloves. Here's an amazing image that we may use as the thumbnail. This individual has a cutaneous horn. It's a keratin tumor growing on his face. People seem to be fascinated by these tumors. They can be malignant or benign. So we're hoping for benign, and we wish him the best in his removal process. Here's an example of a patient with a psychological condition that causes them to eat metal objects. Please don't try this at home. By the way, can anyone name this character who tried to eat a Jeep to get out of Korea? Wow. Back to our original clip, leave your comments below. Do you agree that this is a wart removal? Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join us next time. Adios. Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Coco Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Coco Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Coco Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Coco Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.